good morning everyone. It is Wednesday morning and it is a major windstorm. You can't see stuff, but let's see. I don't know if you can see the snow just a-blowing. It is, what time is it? It's 5:30 in the morning. This way, Gibbs, come on. 5:30 in the morning and we're out here because Gibbs has to go to the bathroom. Come on, here. I mean, it's really snowing and blowing out here. Come on, bud. At least all of our snow is almost gone. You can't see much, sorry guys. Oh, hang on, let's go this way. The wind's just a-blowing. Hang on, bud, we gotta go underneath here. See if we can get this light going. Whee! Come on, right, there we go. Okay, you can't see it, but you can see me. This is my, whoa, baby. This is my Wednesday morning, guys. This is in Falkland, British Columbia. We're getting a big windstorm. And as you can see, a big snowstorm. It is snow and rain mixed together. And the wind is blowing pretty good, as you can see by my hair. As you can see by Gibbs, he's out here too. Woo! I don't know, the power's probably going to go out because of this windstorm. I'm going to keep walking around town. Well, I got to do my morning walk. Gibbs does not go to the bathroom in our yard, so we do have to walk. Come on, bud. Come on, let's go before these trees. Gibbs, go. We do have to walk around for him. Oops, sorry, I can't see. For him to go to the bathroom. So let's go this way, buddy. Come here. Let's get away from these trees. Gibbs, come on. Like you can see probably, it's snowing and it's cold. And I'm out here. And everyone else in my tiny little town is sleeping. There's nobody up. Nobody. But just me. Me and my puppy walking around. Must be nuts. Yes. Must be nuts. There's somebody. But yeah, so this is my Wednesday morning. Maybe now you can see the snow, the rain, the mixture. Yeah, so, yeah, see, branches are getting blown off, the trees are. So what else can I say? Not much, like I said. I haven't been feeling very good, so I haven't been doing a lot of videos. I'm sorry. I have not had a chance to go up and try out the my free gifts that a subscriber, sent me. I'm getting blown over. I will try. I will do a video on my Free Soldiers tarp. This would have been a good time to do it. It's too damn cold out, and this is like freezing rain right now. Don't walk, and Gibbs could go to the bathroom. Like I said, he doesn't go to the bathroom on our property. I guess that's the livestock guardian dogs. They don't really go poop. That's cold. Hey Gibbs, baby Gibbs, are you in a snowstorm? He likes this weather. I don't. Like I said, I guess it's the livestock guardian dog. They don't go bathroom on their own property. I don't know why. But ever since he's been a pup, I've always had to walk him. So, that's hard on the face. Wow, Lord. So we're out here walking. Woo! Holy moly, he got me out here in a freaking blizzard. And